She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and here's the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. I want to thank you guys again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So today's recipe is definitely going to make you fall in love. Pretty much you might even want to get married. We're going to go ahead and dabble into that wonderful line of the Marry Me Chicken family. But instead of the Marry Me Chicken, we're going to go ahead and make some Marry Me Pasta. So the Marry Me Pasta is going to incorporate all the flavors of the delicious Marry Me Chicken. It's just going to be minus the chicken, but still have the wonderful flavors that sauce brings within that Marry Me Chicken. So hopefully you guys are ready to get married. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Those shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money, then save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.
Alright you guys, so this is the Marry Me pasta. Again, it's got the wonderful flavors that the Marry Me chicken brings. If you want to go ahead and add chicken to this, you surely can. All the flavors in here are delightful with the spinach and the sun-dried tomatoes and the cream. Makes a wonderful sauce, guys. Definitely give this a try. Alright you guys, hopefully you did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you tried the Marry Me chicken. Share this video out. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.